Welcome back to our channel. Are you tired of stacks of paper and scattered notes? Well, you're in for a game changer. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best smart notebooks of 2025 that blend the feel of traditional writing with the magic of modern tech. From cloud syncing to handwriting conversion, these smart notebooks are seriously next level. And hey, all the handy links are in the description below, so you can grab your favorite in just one click. Let's dive right in. Kicking things off at number 5, the RocketBook Core. This one's a classic for a reason. It gives you that smooth pen-on-paper feel, but here's the cool part. Just snap a pic with the app, and boom, your notes are instantly sent to the cloud. Stay organized, creative, and eco-conscious with the RocketBook Core reusable spiral notebook, the ultimate blend of traditional writing and smart technology. This letter-sized notebook, 8.5 by 11 inches, offers lined, college-ruled pages that feel just like paper but are completely reusable, making it perfect for students, professionals, and creatives alike. Write smoothly using the included pile of friction pen. Scan your notes using the free RocketBook app and instantly upload them to your favorite cloud services like Google Drive, Dropbox, Evernote, OneNote, and more. Whether you're jotting down lecture notes, work tasks, or creative ideas, you can digitize and organize your pages in seconds. When it's time for a fresh start, just wipe the pages clean with a damp cloth and you're ready to go again. Each notebook is crafted with durable, high-quality materials, featuring a tough waterproof cover, sturdy spiral binding, and smooth synthetic paper that withstands repeated writing and cleaning. Designed for sustainability, the RocketBook Core dramatically cuts down paper waste by offering a reusable solution for everyday writing. And with a pack of 32, you can equip classrooms, teams, or creative workspaces with ease. Its portable and practical design slips neatly into backpacks, briefcases, or laptop bags, giving you a smart notebook you could take anywhere. Whether you're at school, in the office, or working from home, RocketBook keeps your ideas safe, searchable, and environmentally responsible. At number 4, we've got a name you already know and love, Moleskine. But this isn't your typical fancy notebook. The Pen Plus Smart Writing Set is where luxury meets innovation. Elevate your note-taking experience with a Moleskine Pen Plus Smart Writing Set, a sleek fusion of classic Moleskine elegance and cutting-edge digital functionality. This premium set includes the Pen Plus Digital Smart Pen, a dotted paper tablet notebook with Encode paper technology, a USB charging cable, ink refill, and a user manual. Everything you need to start writing smarter from day one. Powered by advanced code technology, the Pen Plus captures every pen stroke in real time. Each handwritten note is instantly digitized and transferred to your device through the Moleskine app, which is fully compatible with both Android and iOS platforms. Now, your ideas are no longer confined to paper. You can edit, search, share, and organize your notes seamlessly. This smart writing set takes things a step further with multimedia features. You can record audio while writing, syncing voice memos with your notes for richer, more complete storytelling. Whether you're in a lecture, brainstorming session, or creative meeting, every detail is preserved, both visually and verbally. Perfect for professionals, students, and creatives. The Moleskine Smart Writing Set brings the convenience of PDF exporting and direct uploads to Google Drive, Evernote, and more. It's your entire workspace in one elegant solution. With the trusted Moleskine design and craftsmanship, this set reflects a deep commitment to culture, travel, memory, and creativity, bridging the gap between traditional journaling and modern digital innovation. Whether at your desk, on the go, or in a brainstorming session, this set empowers your ideas to live in both physical and digital worlds. The Moleskine Pen Plus Smart Writing Set is more than just a notebook. It's your creative partner in a connected world. Coming in at number 3 is Kindle Scribe. Yes, the Kindle has gone notebook mode. It's not just for reading anymore. Now you can write, annotate, and jot down notes directly on your ebooks. Say goodbye to cluttered notebooks and scattered papers. The Amazon Kindle Scribe, 16 gigabytes, is your all-in-one digital solution for reading, writing, and organizing your thoughts. Designed with a focus on productivity and creativity, this sleek device lets you replace your entire stack of notebooks with a single, lightweight companion built for thinkers, readers, and writers. The included premium pen, Tungsten, gives you the feel of real pen on paper. No setup, no charging, just start writing naturally. Whether you're jotting down quick thoughts or drafting lengthy notes, Kindle Scribe captures every stroke with precision and comfort. With powerful built-in AI tools, you can summarize notes, convert messy handwriting to readable text, and even adjust tone and length with ease. It's like having a personal assistant that helps you clean up and organize your ideas in seconds. Need to annotate work documents or books? Kindle Scribe makes it simple. Use Send to Kindle to import documents and PDFs, then mark them up directly. Highlight passages, scribble thoughts, and interact with your reading like never before. And with Active Canvas, you can even write directly on book pages, expanding or collapsing your notes as needed without losing your place. The vibrant 10.2-inch glare-free display offers a 300 ppi resolution for a crisp, comfortable experience, day or night, indoors or outdoors. Whether you're reading a novel or brainstorming new ideas, the screen is always easy on the eyes. With weeks of writing and months of reading on a single charge, the Kindle Scribe is built to keep up with your creativity. No distractions, no pop-ups, just a space designed to help you think. And number 2 is the ever-popular Remarkable Paper Pro. And let me tell you, this one lives up to the name. It's all about distraction-free writing. No buzzing notifications, no social media pop-ups, just you and your thoughts. Transform the way you write, sketch, and read with the Remarkable Paper Pro bundle, the most advanced paper tablet Remarkable has ever created. With its vibrant 11.8-inch canvas color display, this ultra-slim device gives you the power of digital convenience while preserving the natural feel of handwriting. Designed for professionals, students, creatives, and thinkers alike, the Remarkable Paper Pro allows you to write, draw, annotate, and organize your thoughts with ease. The included Marker Plus pen offers incredible precision and comfort, with a built-in eraser, so you can make changes as naturally as you would on paper. Its realistic writing friction delivers a tactile experience unlike any other tablet. Enjoy clutter-free organization with folders and tags. Convert your handwriting into typed text instantly, and even write directly on PDFs. Perfect for reviewing documents, taking notes, or sketching big ideas. Whether it's brainstorming, studying, or reading your favorite material, the low-glare display mimics the look of real paper, reducing eye strain and making it comfortable to read indoors or in direct sunlight. And thanks to the adjustable front light, you can keep working even in low-light environments. With everything in one place, the Remarkable Paper Pro is the ideal digital notebook to elevate your productivity while keeping your focus distraction-free. And finally, the Boox Note Air 4C steals the show at number 1. This thing is a beast of smart notebook. Meet the Boox Note Air 4C, a powerful and versatile e-ink color tablet that combines the comfort of paper with the flexibility of a digital workspace. Whether you're reading, sketching, taking notes, or managing documents, this sleek device is built to handle it all, with premium performance and full Android functionality. The stunning 10.3-inch Kaleido 3 e-ink color display delivers sharp clarity at 1404 by 1872 resolution and 227 ppi, displaying up to 16.7 million colors. Whether you're annotating textbooks, viewing colorful illustrations, or reading comics, the vibrant screen offers a smooth and eye-friendly experience. Under the hood, the Boox Note Air 4C is powered by a high-performance octa-core processor paired with 6 GB of RAM, ensuring seamless multitasking and fast app launches. With 64 GB of internal storage, you'll have plenty of room for your ebooks, PDFs, lecture notes, and creative projects. Running on Android 13, this tablet gives you access to your favorite apps through the Google Play Store, so you can sync your documents, use productivity tools, and stay organized, all in one place. Whether you're using OneNote, Kindle, Evernote, or a drawing app, The Boox Note Air 4C handles it with ease. The included stylus makes note-taking and sketching feel natural, offering precise input and pressure sensitivity. It's perfect for students, artists, professionals, and lifelong learners. With its ultra-thin design, vibrant color display, and unmatched versatility, the Boox Note Air 4C is the ultimate smart notebook for modern productivity. And there you have it, the top 5 best smart notebooks of 2025. From reusability to real-time syncing, these digital dynamos are here to revolutionize how we take notes. Let me know in the comments, which one's your favorite? Or maybe you're already using one and loving it. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss our latest tech picks. All product links are in the description, so scroll down and check them out now. And see you in next tech video.